Why choose Cyprus for higher education? Affordable tuition fees compared to the UK, US, and other European countries. High-quality education with international recognition. English taught programs across various disciplines. Warm Mediterranean climate and a student-friendly atmosphere. Work and study opportunities for international students. Safe and multicultural environment with students from over 100 countries. Chapter 2. Overview of higher education in Cyprus. Structure of higher education system. Types of universities. Public versus private institutions. Accreditation and recognition of degrees worldwide. Education levels. Bachelor's programs 3-4 years, master's programs 1 to 2 years. PhD programs 3 to 5 years. Semester system. Fall September January and spring February June. Online and distance learning options available. Best universities in Cyprus. University of Nicosia, known for business, medical, and tech programs. Cyprus International University specializes in engineering and business. European University Cyprus focus on research and innovation. Eastern Mediterranean University, one of the most diverse institutions. Near East University, excellent for medical studies. Frederick University specializes in engineering and design. Chapter 3. Admission requirements and application process. General admission requirements. For bachelor's programs, high school diploma, English language proficiency, IELTS, TOEFL, or equivalent. For master's programs, bachelor's degree in a related field, minimum GPA, personal statement. For PhD programs, master's degree, research proposal, and academic references. How to apply. Choose a university and program based on career goals. Submit an online application via the university's official portal. Upload required documents, transcripts, passport, personal statement. Pay. The application fee varies by university. Wait for the admission decision, typically 2 to 6 weeks. Chapter 4. Student visa and residence permit. Who needs a student visa? EU students. No visa required, only registration with authorities. Non-EU students must obtain a student visa before arrival. Visa application process. Documents required. University admission letter, proof of financial stability, around €7,000 per year, health insurance, clean criminal record, medical tests, TB, hepatitis B and C, processing time, 4 to 6 weeks, apply early. Residence permit for international students. Apply for a residence permit within 30 days of arrival. Renewable yearly for the duration of your studies. Allows part-time work while studying. Chapter 5. Tuition fees and scholarships. Cost of studying in Cyprus. Bachelor's degree, €3,500, €10,000 per year. Master's degree, €5,000, €13,000 per year. Medical and dentistry programs, €10,000, €18,000 per year. Additional costs, registration fees, student union fees, and textbook expenses. Scholarship opportunities. University-based scholarships offered based on merit and financial need. Cyprus government scholarships for exceptional students, Erasmus Plus and EU funding opportunities for international exchanges. Private and international scholarships available through organizations. Chapter 6. Cost of living in Cyprus. Average monthly expenses. Accommodation, €250, €600 shared versus private. Food and groceries, €150, €300. Transportation, €30, €50. Utilities, electricity, internet, water, €80, €120. Entertainment and miscellaneous, €100, €200. Total estimated monthly expenses, €700, €1,200. Ways to save money as a student. Stay in university dorms or shared apartments. Use student discounts for transport and meals. Cook at home instead of dining out. Chapter 7. Working while studying. Part-time jobs for students. Non-EU students can work up to 20 hours per week during semesters. Popular jobs: retail and supermarket cafes and restaurants, tutoring and teaching assistant roles, online jobs, freelancing, content writing internships and career growth, paid and unpaid internships in business, IT, and engineering, career building events and networking opportunities, best job search websites, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, Cyprus Jobs, Chapter 8, post-graduation work opportunities, job market in Cyprus, high demand in business and finance, tourism and hospitality, IT and engineering, healthcare and medical services, work permit after graduation, apply for a work permit extension after completing studies, option to transition to permanent residency after 5 years. Chapter 9, Student Life in Cyprus, campus life and extracurricular activities, university clubs, sports teams, student unions, events and festivals, cultural fests, international meetups, networking and making friends in a multicultural environment, travel and leisure in Cyprus, top places to visit, beaches, Nisi Beach, Fig Tree Bay, historical sites, tombs of the kings, Karian ruins, nature and hiking, Trudeau's Mountains, Akamas Peninsula, weekend getaways to Greece and other EU countries. Chapter 10, Tips for a successful study experience, apply early for admission and visas. Look for scholarships to lower costs, join university groups for networking, learn basic Greek phrases for local interactions, balance studies with social life and travel. Study visa for Cyprus, everything you need to know. Are you dreaming of studying in Cyprus? With its affordable education, beautiful landscapes, and diverse culture, Cyprus is becoming a top destination for international students. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about getting a Cyprus study visa. Let's dive in now. Let's talk about the study visa requirements. To apply for a student visa in Cyprus, you need the following: a valid passport with at least 2 years of validity, acceptance letter from a recognized Cypriot university, completed visa application form, passport size photographs, proof of financial means, bank statements, sponsorship letter, etc. Health insurance coverage, police clearance, certificate, medical examination report. It's important to check with your chosen university for any additional requirements. Here's a simple breakdown of the Cyprus study visa application process. 1. Receive an admission letter from your university to gather all required documents. 3. Submit your application to the Cyprus embassy or consulate in your home country. 4. Attend an interview if required. 5. Wait for visa approval. It can take a few weeks, so apply early. 6. Once approved, book your flight and get ready for an exciting journey in Cyprus. Yes, international students in Cyprus can work part-time for up to 20 hours per week during the academic semester and full-time during holidays. This helps students manage expenses while gaining work experience. Cyprus is quite affordable compared to other European countries. Here's an estimated breakdown. Tuition fees: €3,000, €10,000 per year, varies by course and university. Accommodation: €200, €500 per month. Food and transport: €200, €300 per month. So, with proper budgeting, studying in Cyprus can be quite economical. To increase your chances of visa approval, follow these tips. Apply early and ensure all documents are complete. Show strong financial proof to support your studies. Be honest in your interview and application. Stay in contact with your university for guidance. And that's everything you need to know about getting a Cyprus study visa. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in Cyprus. Conclusion: why choose Cyprus? Studying in Cyprus offers affordable tuition, a vibrant student life, and career opportunities. With English taught programs, scholarships, and work opportunities, it's a great destination for international students. Need help? Contact Money Overseas, university applications, visa and scholarship guidance, career advice. Share and subscribe for study abroad tips. Turn on notifications for updates. Drop your questions in the comments.